Hello friends, welcome once again to Mysterious Tales X, where we travel beyond science, beyond imagination, and deep into the darkness between the stars to find the truths that the cosmos still keeps hidden. We all know our sun, that brilliant sphere of burning plasma, the reason life exists on Earth, the great light that defines day and night. But what if the sun isn't alone? What if, somewhere far out there in the frozen edges of our solar system, there exists another star, dark, cold, invisible, a shadow twin of our sun that we've never truly seen? For decades, astronomers have been haunted by this idea. They call it the dark sun or Nemesis, a mysterious star that might orbit the sun in an enormous loop, so vast it could take tens of millions of years to complete just one revolution. If it's real, it wouldn't glow with golden light. It would be a brown dwarf, a failed star, too cold to shine, too massive to ignore. And perhaps every time it swings close to our solar system, disaster follows. It all began with a pattern. In the 1980s, scientists studying the fossil record noticed something terrifying. Mass extinctions on Earth seem to happen regularly, every 26 million years. Life on our planet was nearly wiped out, from the dinosaurs to ancient sea life, again and again. It was as if some unseen clock in the universe was counting down to destruction. But what could cause such perfect timing? Some researchers believed the answer lay in space. Perhaps, they said, something massive was orbiting far beyond Pluto, something with the power to disturb the distant Oort cloud, that vast region filled with icy comets. When this hidden object passed nearby, it would send a storm of comets hurtling toward the inner planets. And one of them would inevitably strike Earth, a cosmic reset button, pressed every 26 million years. The idea was chilling, and the name they gave it was even more so. Nemesis, the bringer of retribution, the dark twin of the sun. But does such a thing truly exist? NASA's infrared telescopes have searched the heavens, looking for signs of a nearby brown dwarf. In 2010, the WISE mission mapped the entire sky in infrared light, hoping to finally prove or disprove the Nemesis theory. Officially, they found nothing. No hidden sun, no brown dwarf, no shadow companion. But the story didn't end there. Because even after WISE, astronomers kept finding strange clues, tiny gravitational anomalies in the orbits of distant icy bodies like Sedna and Eris. Something out there was tugging on them. Something heavy, invisible, and massive. Planet 9. Maybe. But what if it's not a planet at all? What if it's something much older, much darker? The remnant of a failed star, orbiting so far away that it has escaped our eyes for billions of years. Imagine it, a frozen, dead sun, its faint gravity still whispering across space, pulling on the edges of our solar system like a ghost hand. Some physicists suggest Nemesis could have been born with our sun, two stars emerging from the same collapsing cloud of gas and dust, as binary stars often do. In fact, most stars in the Milky Way aren't alone. They're twins or triplets, locked together, orbiting a shared center of gravity. So, why not ours? Could it be that the sun was once part of a binary system, and its twin was lost long ago, drifting silently through the void? If that's true, and our entire solar system might be haunted by the ghost of its creation, a lost twin that shaped our past and may still influence our future. And here's where the theory turns even darker. Some researchers claim that ancient myths and religions may hold traces of this cosmic memory. Legends of two suns, one bright and one dark. The Egyptians wrote of a hidden sun that ruled the underworld. The Sumerians told of a second light that appeared in the sky before disaster. Even the Mayans spoke of cycles of destruction tied to celestial alignments. Could these ancient stories be distant echoes of real cosmic events? Memories passed down through ages, from times when Nemesis last came near. No one can say for sure, but when you look at the geological record, when you trace those extinction patterns, when you see the way space itself bends beyond Neptune, the question refuses to die. What if we're not living in a one-star system after all? And here's the eerie part. If Nemesis is real, it could still be out there, perhaps 1 light year away, orbiting in the frozen dark. It doesn't glow, it doesn't shine, but its gravity still touches everything, like a silent partner in a cosmic dance. Maybe one day it will return. Maybe millions of years from now, it will once again cross the outer edge of our solar system, sending a rain of comets and asteroids toward the inner worlds. Maybe it will bring another great extinction, or the beginning of something entirely new. And when that happens, life on Earth, or whatever life remains, will once again feel the shadow of the dark sun. So next time you stand beneath the bright warmth of the sun, remember, there might be another, lurking in eternal night, a twin that never shines, but never truly dies, the forgotten brother of our sun, drifting somewhere in the abyss, watching, waiting for its turn to rise again. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mysterious Tales X, where every week we uncover the hidden stories of the universe, where science meets mystery and the cosmos whispers its darkest secrets.